Hello everyone, we are excited to share what we built during this weekend at HackTX. So this is the documentation website of the product. So let me take you to a little bit of background. So if you see this AWS dashboard, there is a lot of information, a lot of talk about the thing that AWS dashboard, GCP dashboard, and any other dashboard that has a huge potential, that can do a lot of things, has the problem that the options get lost in the application. If you want to do something quite easy as changing an environment variable in a project or creating a new project itself, it can get pretty overwhelming, and you can get lost in the a massive ocean of different options and then features that a application is providing. So we reimagined this and we thought, what if we can make this process better using GenAI, and then using the power of GenAI to develop and ship uh, custom user interfaces for our users that are tailored to their needs. So that's why we built Adaptly. So it is a AI adaptive UI library for React and Next.js. So basically what it does is it has a component registry, like a JSON file where it will contain all the information of the components that we have in our project, and then we're using Gemini AI and other cloud AI providers using the Vercel's AI SDK platform to generate different type of user interfaces based on the user's need. So let's explore the documentation first a little bit. So this is our home page of the documentation website. You can get some insights here. You can see the basic overview of how it works. This is the adaptly.json registry that we talked just about now, and then we are using GenAI to generate different user interfaces based on the user's need. And you can get some quick links here. This is other links to our GitHub issues, discussions, npm package, changelog, all the things. Let's get started. Here you can get a quick start guide that will walk you through a step-by-step procedure to scaffold a basic project using our library and Next.js and Tailwind CSS and SADCN UI. For now we are supporting this only because this is the first version of the product, and we will be supporting different kind of frameworks later on down the run. So you can get a lot of information about our library, how to use it, and what are the using criterias for different functions. You can get the API references and all the information in this documentation website. We created this amazing documentation website for you all so that you can check out our product and then use it if you like. And this is our GitHub repository. If you see, we have made this open source so that you can contribute to this product, use this product, and then enhance the product so that the front end ecosystem and the whole UI development and the innovation in the UI domain can grow as fast as possible. So we launched this as a npm package. It is a TypeScript first package, so you get all the type safety, all the things, and you can just install it using a single command, npm install adaptly. And if you see the code implementation, it is quite easy. Here you will see the registry. You have the component's name, the description for the LLM, the props that the component will take so that LLM can customize the UI based on what the user is wanting, and different options that you can check out in our documentation. And the implementation is very simple. If you see here, we have a page.tsx where you can just call an AdaptlyProvider, give the API key, and state which provider you want to use and which model you want to use. The default one is Gemini, and you can pass the components here and then attach the config here. And then we also have integrated local storage so that the UI that has been generated for you is persisted in your browser and it is not lost somewhere while you are browsing anywhere else. So this is the implementation part. Let's see a demo of what we built. So these examples you can get in our GitHub repo in this examples folder. So let's see the first one. It is adaptive dashboard. First let me do Command K and then reset the user interface. So this is the default UI, and let's explore this dashboard. So what if I want to explore the sales of the company? I want to know just about sales. So it will call the Gemini AI, and the Gemini AI will return structured response so that you can generate the interface based on that. So you see we have the information of only the sales, nothing else, and we can also change the provider here, change the model here, and let's say we want to analyze teammates. uh, Show me the team info. So it will again call the AP, call the Gemini AI, and then it will generate a user interface tailored for you. So you can see it is engineering team, sales team, marketing team, support team. You see it is not static, it is all dynamically generated as per your needs. So you do not have to spend hours digging into nested menus to find the thing that you are looking for. And the use case of this kind of product is mostly in bigger dashboards like AWS and then GCP. So let's see a different dashboard as well. So let me reset this one as well. So you see it is calling the API in the backend, and it will create a dynamic user interface for you. So let me say I want to just look at the revenue metrics. Show me revenue metrics. So it is gonna take some time. It will call the Gemini API and then return you the tailored user interface. So you see it is all showing the information about the revenue and related things like customer acquisition cost, that is also related to revenue, right? So this is our product. So this is a demo website that we built, that the code is also open. You can just take a look at it anytime you like, and then take a reference of different practices that we use to make this library happen. So hope you like this library. This is all about Adaptly. So we are reimagining the future of user interfaces and the front-end development ecosystem. There are infinite possibilities with this, so feel free to explore. And in the next steps, we are planning to launch CLI for this project so that you can scaffold your project quite easily. And if you noticed, the adaptly.json, the registry file, it can get pretty big if you have a big project. So it is necessary to have some sort of validation. So the CLI will also provide the validation for the registry and all sort of different additional features like creating an example application and all those kind of things. So we have a lot of good things planned for this. Hope you like this. If you want to contribute, you can contribute to this project. It is open source, and give us a feedback on our GitHub discussions. Feel free to open issues if you encounter any. Feel free to open any PRs if you want to contribute. Thank you. That was all about Adaptly.